Hello, bashers, or bash boys and girls. We are here at Color Place. It's a color analysis type of shop wherein they will tell you what type of colors will work for you when it comes to makeup, clothes, and stuff. And I'm very curious to know what's going to work for me. Guess niyo nga kung ano yun.
Hello mga kasangga! Welcome to my channel, Pearl TV and Travels Vlog. Mga kasangga, our Queen Bea Alonzo, together with Bash Girls, Bea and Brina Secosana, goes to Seoul, Korea. Wow, what a wonderful trip it is of these three lovely ladies. Our Queen Bea, sobrang nag-enjoy at natuwa sa kanilang pamamasyal sa Korea. And of course ang kanilang food trip doon. So here's the ganap guys, let's all watch this.
So after the color analysis, medyo nagutom na kami. We are starving now because we haven't eaten anything today. I did actually, some coffee and other bread. But I am starving. Since it's been raining here today, we're thinking whether to get pajon, kasi yun daw yung uso dito when it's raining, or budae. What do you think guys?